Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we are currently sitting at $1.48 trillion. We're down 0.5% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC Dominance is currently sitting at 43.5%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are starting to see some red across the board, especially in the last 24 hours. But if you guys are looking at the charts, you guys can see altcoins are not bleeding as hard as Bitcoin right now. And you may be asking, why is that the case? We will look further into what is going on with the altcoins. But today, guys, I want to look further into Polygon Matic. All right. So my Polygon Matic family, if we are looking at the price right now, we're currently trading at $1.13. We are down 3.1% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're up 0.2% in BTC comparative and down 1% in Ethereum comparative in just the last 24 hours. Polygon Matic's current market cap right now is $7.1 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is at $544.9 million. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, we're still up 5,677.9%. Obviously, in the last 30 days, we are down 30.7%, but that should not be coming as a surprise to any one of us. We know what has been going in the markets over the last, month and a half. But despite that fact, guys, Matic is still up 5,677.9% in just this year alone. In just the last year alone. So that is very impressive when we are looking at the Matic charts. So let's deep dive into the chart and see what's exactly going on and where we could be going in the immediate short term. Looking at the Matic's price right now, we are currently trading at $1.12.6 mark. Let's bring out the Fibonacci retracement level so we can get a better understanding as to what exactly is going on and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So if we are looking at Matic's price, as I have mentioned, we are trading at $1.12.6 mark. We're currently trading at the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. We have been having some hard times breaking above this level of resistance around this $1.20.1 mark. As you guys can see, we have been trying to break above this level, as you guys can see, but we have been unable to stay above here. And the main reason as to why that is happening is obviously we have been seeing Bitcoin being very, very volatile, along with BTC Dominance skyrocketing towards the upside, which we will get into later in this video. But one thing I want to point out for you guys is that, the buying pressure is very, very low compared to these levels around here. So that is a major factor that we need to keep in mind when we are looking at Matic's prices. Let's not forget, guys, in just the last year alone, we're still up 5,700%, even after seeing a retracement of, to be exact, we have retraced since all-time highs 58.85%. But still, guys, let's give Matic the respect it deserves. Even after seeing a 58.85% move towards the downside, it is holding up quite well, and it is by far one of the best performing crypto assets this bull run easily. But now let's look at Bitcoin charts along with BTC Dominance, and then we will come and make a price conclusion as to what is possibly the most likelihood scenario that could occur for Matic. So looking at Bitcoin's price right now, guys, look at this. You cannot make this up. We saw Bitcoin go all the way up to $36,000 yesterday, but we were unable to go above this level at this $36,600 level that I have been talking about over the last couple days. I have been showing you guys that we need to stay above this level for us to be on the safe end of the spectrum, and Bitcoin is having a hard time getting above here. Last time we tried to get above here was June 19th. We were unable to get above here. Then we tried once again on 29th, and we tried once again, but we were unable to go above this level of resistance. So this goes to show that we are having some hard times getting above this level of resistance, and we do need the bulls to come out and save the day in order for us to look bullish once again. In order for us to look bullish once again is if we do break above this level and actually stay above there, then I believe that we are in the bullish end of the spectrum. But as of now, that is not the case. We are seeing Bitcoin going back down towards the downside. We're back at $34,200 mark, and hopefully we do bounce back above $33,300 mark. If we do go down there, you guys know this is basically the last life support for Bitcoin, and we do not like seeing Bitcoin below this mark. So we need to be looking at Bitcoin charts very, very closely over the next few days before we get excited in a way. So looking at Bitcoin dominance charts, guys, you guys can see this is one thing I would like to point out for altcoin holders. One thing I want to point out for you guys that is different this time is, even though we are seeing Bitcoin move towards the downside, we are seeing BTC dominance continue to fall downwards, and we're currently sitting at 45.37%. And this is what altcoin holders want to see happen. By no means am I saying, yes, guys, BTC dominance is going tomorrow back down to 40%. Absolutely not. But this is a bullish indicator overall that we are starting to see money flow out of Bitcoin rather into altcoins, which is what we want to see happen. And if we do go back down to these levels around here, around this 40% mark, then we could see Matic move up fast, as we have seen it go back around here when Bitcoin does move towards the upside. When BTC dominance is on the lower end of the spectrum, we do tend to see altcoins outpace Bitcoin, but that is not the case. But yes, we are seeing BTC dominance pull towards the downside, so that is a very interesting thing that we need to be looking very closely at. Right now, my personal price target for Matic for the short immediate term is to get back into the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, but we need to actually smash past this level of resistance very, very fast. But we need more buying pressure to kick in order for us to do that. I would not be surprised if we do have the buying pressure on our side. Would not be surprised if we do manage to get back into this 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level very, very fast, as long as BTC dominance continues to move towards the upside and Bitcoin gradually move towards the upside. That would mean, everything will start looking good. I'm sorry, we need Bitcoin dominance to move towards the downside in order for us to see Matic have an explosive move towards the upside, as long as Bitcoin does hit specific price targets that I have talked about just right now for you guys. Going on staking rewards, guys, I always like showing you guys this. If you guys are a Matic Polygon holder, and you are not in it for the short-term gains, you do see the picture long-term for Matic, then it might be smart for you to stake your Matic and actually earn something off your holding rather than just holding it and earning nothing off it. So you can stake Polygon Matic because it's a proof of stake consensus, so you can stake your holding. So you stake your coins. Right now, as of recording this video, 22.81% of Matic's total circulation supply is being staked right now. So that is meaning that 22.81% of Polygon Matic's circulation supply is off the exchanges because it is being staked right now. And as this number gets bigger and bigger, that's how scarce Polygon Matic becomes. Look at Cardano, for example. We're seeing Cardano hold very, very strongly, and that is one main reason is because the staked value is very, very high, and that does tend to mean that projects like those, people do tend to see long-term future for them, and they're not here for just short-term gains. And these projects are definitely here to stay, and Polygon Matic is one of them. It's solving one of the best problems out there, and that is Ethereum scalability issue. And obviously there's a lot of hype building up about Ethereum 2.0 coming out. A lot of people are getting excited, but as much as I love hearing that, but I do not see that problem going away that easily, and Polygon Matic is here to save the day. And I believe this ecosystem is only going to get bigger and bigger as time goes by. We obviously have big institutional interest coming in for Matic, such as Grayscale. We have a lot of big people in the financial industries with some big money that are talking about Matic. So everything is there for it to succeed. The hype is there, community is there. We do have the liquidity. We just need to have a patience when it comes into these markets, guys, because if you're in it for the long haul, please let me tell you one thing. If you are in it for the next 3 to 5 years, then these prices should not matter to you at all. Like, it should not matter to you absolutely for nothing, because price volatility will occur and there's nothing stopping it. But long-term perspective, guys, you cannot put a price on a project with real use case and something unique as Polygon Matic, first second layer solution. Nothing exists like that. And what they're doing, I do not see that issue going away anytime soon. And I believe Matic is only going to get bigger and bigger as time goes by. And as the staking value increases as well, things could start looking very, very nice. I still am a strong believer that this bull run is far from being over. We still might see a parabolic bull run that we did see back in 2017, where we did see altcoins specifically skyrocket, and I would not be surprised if we do see newer highs for Matic this bull run as well. But keep this in mind. We still need to look at Bitcoin charts very, very closely, because Bitcoin can invalidate this entire market in a blink of an eye. So we need to keep our eyes on Bitcoin price every single day when we are looking at the prices. I'm not saying to you that tomorrow we're going straight up to the moon for Matic. Absolutely not. We need to have patience. And as long as you have done your due diligence and research and have invested where you can afford to lose, then patience is basically your number one key to follow. But that is it for today's update regarding Matic. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys are thinking and where you guys could see Matic go at the end of this year. I would love to know your thoughts down below. And also, if you guys have not joined the Telegram group chat, guys, what are you waiting for? It's free to join. Link in the description box below. We talk about cryptocurrencies, the latest news and trends revolving around the space, and just have a great time at the end of the day. So come join the group and let's build this community together. If you have not already smash the like button, guys, what are you waiting for? This does help my channel grow a lot, and it helps the YouTube algorithm push my videos out to a wider audience. Your support would be greatly appreciated, and thank you for taking your time out, especially my day one supporters. Thank you so much for always supporting me. I appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. Like, I love you guys. And I will continue delivering these videos for you guys. So once again, thank you so much. Stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.